Hi everyone, thanks for watching. This is AMRC, and today we're back with a way overdue project, our Flite Test Duster build. If you saw our last video, which was over a year ago, we did some white primer, then some blue spray paint, but unfortunately we didn't have the best results with paint, so we decided to finish it off with just markers, Sharpies. So we did all of the orange like that. Tried to get as much detail as we could. Now, of course, working with a 5-year-old, this took a lot of time, a lot of coloring sessions, but in the end we got it done. Then the most important detail, of course, the eyes, googly eyes. Make it look like Dusty Crophopper. We found a suitable size. Now we just needed to finish the wings, add landing gear. I switched to some foam wheels versus the 3D printed ones I tried earlier. On the wing we used some duct tape. Luckily found some orange one, and this is the end result. So here it is, everyone, the Flite Test Duster. This is my completed, or our completed version. Let's see if we can get it in the air this time. Okay, all systems go. I have to admit I'm a bit nervous, but I do have an AR631 Spectrum receiver with safe setup. So let's go. Okay, that didn't go right. Seems to be okay. Let's try it again. Really struggled with bending the wire for the landing gear. And it has no tail wheel, just a skid. Okay, let's try again. Oof. Oh my god. Seems to be surprisingly sturdy. Let's give it one last try. Go on, climb. Oh. Just didn't want to climb enough. It's in the corn, I see it. At least that's a good thing. There it is. It's still in one piece. This canopy moved a bit. Let's get out of the corn. I don't know. Usually I know in cases like this, it's best to go home, figure out what you can improve, and try again later, another day. But maybe I'll try it just once more without safe, maybe. That's not helping me climb enough. Let's see. Okay, so this is attempt number 4. I've turned off safe. Oh. Yeah, just doesn't want to fly, I guess. Whew. Well, one thing's for sure, it's a tough little plane. Good design. The canopy popped off, but Other than that, it seems to be okay. Now, what am I doing wrong, guys? Let me know in the comments. I'm using a 8x6 prop. The motor is a 2212 1000 kV. I do have the same motor with higher kV, I think 1400. Should I try that? Also have 3 bladed props. That would be a better option. But yeah, fortunately it was unsuccessful today. But don't worry, it's still in one piece. I'll check your suggestions in the comments and I'll try again another time. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to like this video if you enjoyed it. Subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you next time. Bye.